Hello everyone, it's me Khurram Fida here for you. This is my fourth episode on the Health Wellness Series Season 1. I have already shared 15 tips with you guys in my previous episodes. Now for this episode, I have more 5 tips for you guys that can give you a better and a healthy life. So guys, now we are going to start over this episode, and here I'm going to share my 16th tip, and that is keep coleslaw low fats. It is usually more fat than its cabbage, but you can make it low fat. Instead of mayonnaise, try a dressing of the half cup plain non-fat yogurt, 3 teaspoons apple juice and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. That's enough for 1 each pound of shredded cabbage, with 2 cups of the shredded carrots, 2 shredded celery stalks, B cup raisins and 1 decided apple. Each 1 cup serving has just 74 calories and almost no fats. So guys, that was the tip number 16 what I have shared with you. Now there is a one section for you guys, and that is self-analysis. What you have to do, just watch the video and do your self-analysis. So guys, now we are going to our tip number 17. Consume enough vitamin D. Working with the calcium with the vitamin helps keep bones strong. In addition, many studies have looked at its potential to reduce the risk of everything from some common cancers and the multiple sclerosis to diabetes, hypertension and the age-related muscle weakness, especially in the lower legs. The RDA is 200 to 600 IU of the vitamin D a day, but 800 to 1000 IU is a better target for everyone. Most people need to take supplements to meet this goal. So guys, that was our tip number 17. Now we are going to our tip number 18, and our tip number 18 is to read label on the muffin. A brown muffin may not even contain whole wheat flour and may have excessive amounts of eggs, butter and oil, as well as sugar, honey and other sweeteners. Some have more than 20 grams of fats, as much as the Big Mac, and more than 500 calories. So guys, that was our tip number 18. What you have to do, just read the muffin label before having it. So guys, now we are going to our tip number 19. If you were susceptible to urinary tract infections, UTIs, try cranberry juice. A study at Harvard showed that the women who drank 10 ounces of the cranberry juice cocktail daily significantly reduced infection rates over a 6-month period. The researcher noted that cranberry juice should be used as an adjunct to medical treatment. If a UTI is serious enough to cause symptoms, it requires medical attention. So guys, that was the tip number 19 what I have shared with you. Now we are going to our final tip for this episode, and we are going to tip number 20. If you have frequent headache, look at what you eat. Food and the beverages may play a role in some headaches, especially migraines. Most of the suspects, such as chocolate, ripe cheeses, or freshly baked yeast products, contain a naturally occurring chemical called trypsin, which may constrict or dilate blood vessels in the brain. So guys, that was the tip number 20 what I have shared with you. Now it's your turn. Just you have to share your self-assessment score. If your score is 7 or above 7, then it's okay. So guys, now this is the video, and now I'm going to end this episode. Next time I'll come with some more tips that will be helpful for your healthy life. So till that time, take care.